Welcome back. Today I have some happy news. We have successfully passed 100 subscribers. It's a little bit late, we're about 130 now. But I wanted to put together a Discord server as a thank you, and I've got it set up here. You will be required to read through this rules post before you can interact in the server. It's pretty straightforward stuff. No not safe for work stuff. Don't be a dick. Pretty straightforward. I have set up different channels for all different aspects of game art and game development. I have help section. I've got showcasing your work. This is where you can show off the cool stuff that you've made. Professional help for those who want to post jobs or those who are looking for jobs. And then extras with my channel updates, where you will see updates of any of my videos. And then you'll also see in the resources panel useful information. So if you find a good tutorial or something like that, post it there. If you find that, hey, I was struggling with modeling X, oh, here's a really good video on how to solve it, post it there. Again, thank you guys for the support. I'm going to continue working at it. The Sling video will be coming out next sometime soon, and then I have some more videos planned on mobile development, as several of you seem to be interested in mobile development. Hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you next time.